Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Know Your Crystals. My name is Kim. And this stone is basically named exactly how it looks. So, if you guessed Dalmation Jasper, you are correct. This is a spotted stone. It is a stone for those who are overly analytical. So if you're overly analytical, this might be a stone for you. The benefits from this stone is it may ground you, center you, balance you, helps to harmonize your emotions. It can help to maintain composure. So if you're in a situation where you got to keep your composure, this may help you with that. It cleanses the aura, energies, and protects user from harm and restores a sense of fun and childlike wonder. So if you want to feel childlike and have fun, this stone may just help you reach that sense. It is also used to calm and soothe animals that are hurt and scared. So not only Dalmatian, because of the spots, Dalmatian dog, this also helps animals too. So if you have animals that are hurt and scared, this would be a stone to have around. And the chakras that this one works with is your root and your solar plexus. You can place on or near your chakras and be in your root chakra. You can put it under your seat, tape it to the bottom of your chair. Wear as jewelry. So like maybe a belt that would be close to your solar plexus. And carry it in your pocket. And this beauty is found in Mexico. So one of the few stones that I have researched on and found that this one helps animals as well. So if you are overly analytical, this would definitely be a stone for you. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and if you've enjoyed this video and it was very informative, hit the like button, leave a comment. If you have a question, put it in the comment sections. And I do look forward to seeing you in the next video. I wonder what gem I'll be going over in that one. See you then!